You too. What's up? It's your boy 360GZ. Listen here, listen here, listen here, listen, okay? Because obviously you guys are not listening, okay? Because I got to run this video back over and over and over. You know what I'm saying? You probably have to run this video back over and over and over for you to understand what I'm talking about. So please, listen in my Shonda voice. Listen. I don't know why I got really dramatic like that, but I don't know. I'm doing a washing style right now, but the ultimate thing that I'm doing is I'm using the clay and lay, okay? And you see I got all the soap all over the thing, yeah. Listen, I had like you guys gotta be careful. I had one of these clay and lay things, and basically it mildewed on me. It got mildewy, and I looked inside and I smelled this one. I was like, dang, you know what I'm saying? Luckily, it smells like clay and lay. It don't smell like mildew. So yeah, I'm gonna finish doing my little washing style, and then I'm gonna come back and start the clay and lay process. Alright, and that's basically the first initial diva in the building. What's good? We got AG in here. Mix that clay up. I will. Mix that clay up, GZ. Don't be sitting there, you know what I'm saying, putting it on your head. I saw it when you opened it. Didn't look mixed. Don't you dare mix it with a damn metal spoon, GZ. Something plastic. I know she's gonna say that next. Don't you dare mix it with a metal spoon. I'll be the one to mix it with a metal spoon too, trust me. Like, no, it's not that deep. After all we taught you, it's not that deep. Like, AG, calm down, calm down. No. All the game, the knowledge that you soaked up over the years about the natural team doing too much, you gonna mix it up with a metal spoon? Glenn got on me with that one. Put that in the vid. I know, these are the moments that should really be in the video, but half the people ain't gonna know what I'm talking about. That's why I really put it in there. You gotta be from the wave pages to understand. Man, I got so much hair on my head, it ain't really laying down like I wanted to, and I'm hoping that this clay and lay, I'm hoping that it do what it say, because if it don't, this will be the last of it. I ain't never doing no clay and lay again. This is useless. It don't give me no shine. This dries my hair out. I'm gonna be the anti-clay and lay, and I'm gonna represent for everybody that can't do it. Everybody, you can't do it. I can't neither. You see all these YouTubers with the shiny hair? They lied to you. They put some mink mix in their head. I'm gonna be honest. I did it once. It wasn't the clay and lay. It was the damn mink mix. I'm so ashamed. I don't know if it was the clay and lay or the mink mix, but now I know, y'all. I understand what it really was. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It wasn't the clay and lay, it was the mink mix. The thing got my hair soft in the mud. Hold on, I'm trying to look. I gotta look for my little mink mix. I gotta look for my little stir. I got a toothbrush to mix it up, but I ain't got an applicator brush. I mix it up with a toothbrush. I got my plastic. Don't say nothing to me. Don't say nothing. I'm not adding this into the video either. This is not going in there. I don't care what y'all say. GZ, add this to the video. No, sir. What AG laughing at Ellis? See, that's what I'm saying. Rub it together until it's white, GZ. You owe me 2. See, that's what, it's people like Ellis that be putting that on me. You gotta know the origin and where it came from. Y'all keep thinking that it came from me. That didn't come from me. That came from Young Wavy. But y'all ain't gonna say nothing to him, no. Y'all ain't gonna say nothing to him. Y'all think I got curl enhancement smoothie from me just bringing it to the wave game? I didn't bring that to the wave game. That was Young Wavy. AG know it. AG know it to be true. Y'all keep saying me. Hold on, wait a minute. I keep thinking like, wait a minute, that wasn't me. I just made videos on it, but that wasn't me though. That was Young Wavy. True. He the one that rubbed it in his hands until white. You need to know your history. You better learn it. Shoot, stop blaming folks. Shoot, get your $29.99 from Young Wavy. Bet you won't ask him for it. Bloodso, you know what's up. You remember. Diva, you know No. Let me see. Facts, he used it, rubbed it in backwards. Come on now. Somebody talk about it. It wasn't me. Shoot, y'all always want to blame curl enhancing smoothing on me. Y'all keep doing that. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I always be taking the blame. You know what I'm saying? Y'all always, hey, Jeezy, listen, I seen you do it, so I didn't see Young Wavy did it, so you did it. No, hold on. Wait a minute. Shoot, let's go to the origin. Okay? Shoot. Even X-Man told the origin story. Come on now. Don't do me like that. Don't do me. Okay? This ain't that. In the words of Cito, this ain't that. Okay? This ain't that. You can't do me like that. Okay? Go holler at Young Wavy. Okay? He the one that invented it. Shoot. He the one that started cutting up CQP brushes. Come on now. But y'all don't remember that. Y'all want to sit here and hang me. Y'all want to hang me. You know what I'm saying? Let's get him. No. Y'all want to sit here and put me on the cross. No. You got to know your history. Ooh, he was the one that was cutting up CQP brushes. I wouldn't have dared. Shoot. I'm telling y'all, you know what? I'm down with y'all. Y'all, I just realized y'all so quick to put the blame on me. Hey, Jeezy, I need my shoot. Remember when Jeezy promoted that curl enhancing smoothie? Well, where you think I got it from? Shoot, one of the goats. What you talking about? I didn't just come out here inventing things. The only thing I made up was the flawless connection method. Okay, beat me up. Okay. Put me on the cross for the flawless connection method. Okay, but everything else, everything else, that ain't me. I got it from Sir Cruz or Young Wavy. I got it from someone else, okay? I got it from Kato, his friend, and his friend, okay? I ain't the inventor of all. Y'all can't keep doing me like this. Just because y'all seen it from me, don't mean y'all got it. Don't mean it came from me. It didn't all come from me. I thought. Hey, shoot, Young Wavy said it was good. I thought it was good. Shoot, it's whatever he said. He said it was dope. Hey, do this. Hey, I did it. You know what I'm saying? It worked for me. What worked for me may not work for you. Don't sit here and don't. All right, I want my money back. Hey, let's go sit your butt down somewhere. Talk about you want your money back. Okay? How about this, Ellis? Since you want to see, you know what? I'm pinning you. Look, can I pin his comment? Listen, let me see. He wanted his $9.95 back. Let me see so everybody can get a good whiff of this. He wanted his $9.95 back. All for $9.95. You could get some SCS. Let me see. Where's his comment? He deleted it. Look at him. He deleted it. No, there it is. See, he wanted his money back. No, sir. Let's see. No. Let me tell you something. Okay? Since you want your money back for the SCS that you bought. Okay? It ain't come from me, so you can't get your money back. But what I want my reparations. I want my reparations if you ever took a tip from me. Let me see. What's my tips worth? Let me see. I need $5 for every tip that I gave you. And every movement that I created, that you took, that you copied, anything that you took from me, I need my reparations. Come on now. The fashion pics, I need my reparations. The shoe pictures, I need my reparations. The swirl you got in your head, I need my reparations. The videos that you create on YouTube, I need my reparations. I need it.
I definitely don't need it. I need it!
I'm sitting here sweating my hair out, man. Messing with Ellis. If only people really knew how stupid I really was. You know what I'm saying? YouTube really don't know. YouTube really don't know how crazy I really am, though. Ellis is like, you know what? I hate that you can sit here and throw that in my face. You know what? I ain't taking nothing. You know what? I'm tired of the abuse over the years, Jeezy. You know what I'm saying? Just because I took something don't mean that I can't. You know what I'm saying? You put it out there for us to take, so come on now. You know what? I ain't taking nothing from you ever again, because you love to just bring it up. You know what I'm saying? Out the blue. Well, nobody talking about that, but you gonna bring it up out the blue. My bad, Ellis. My bad. My bad, Ellis. How am I gonna apply this, though? Hey, how do y'all apply it if y'all don't got an applicator brush? Glenn, I need you. I'm raising my hand. I'm in the back of the class. Look at me. Come on, Glenn. Get your fingers ready. Golly. Hold on, let me Glenn over here taking his sweet time. Oh, okay, let me come over here and comment real quick with his old thumbs. Let me get my comments, get my hands ready here. God darn it, I'm pushing the wrong button here. I don't know, doggone it, I don't know what to do. Oh, I got to delete. Dang it. Oh, that's a double tap. Let me get my old fingers over here. Look, oh, dog it, man, these things out. After all these years, after 30 years, you guys gonna do me like this? Oh, my goodness. Come on, Glenn, I need ya. What Glenn's talking about? Come on, Glenn. Glenn ain't said, oh, 4-finger bang it. All right, dang, man, I didn't want to. I didn't want to do that. I don't know whether he laughed. Let me see if he laughed after he said that. Let me see. If he laughed after you said that, I can't take that tip. 4-finger bang it. Oh, okay. All right. He didn't laugh. No jokes. All right. Glenn, if I ever oh my God. Bro, I cannot do this. I cannot do this video, man. If I ever see Glenn, that's all I'm gonna be thinking about is this, him putting this type. Let me see you type something, Glenn. Let me see you type something. I just cannot see Glenn on his phone. Like, can y'all see Glenn on his phone, like typing, like really just like. All I can picture is, let me get my glasses. Where my glasses at? Dog, he wanted a question. Let me get my spectacles out. Let me see. Okay, all right. Let me see here. Oh. I can see Glenn looking all stressed out. Oh man. Oh my God. With his glasses on, really looking stressed. Like, man, I gotta type. I got Glenn hecka old. He ain't really even that old. I'm just messing with him. All right. All right, you guys, so now that my hair is all nicely washed out, I'm gonna damp it up a little bit, okay? Damp it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna put my clay and lay in. I don't got my applicator brush, okay? I don't have my applicator brush, so don't fault me for my 4-finger bang, okay? Pause, okay? My 4-finger bang, don't listen. The dippage that's going on right now, that's what I'm gonna have to do. I don't have an applicator brush, okay? So bear with me. Without further ado, let's go.